Hey YouTube, this is one of my smokeless fire pits. It's a double wall, all stainless steel. It measures 26 inches in diameter, 16 inches deep, and has a 2-inch dead air space between the two walls. There's vent holes that bring air into between the two walls, and that hot air rises and comes out holes that go around the inside perimeter, and that mixes with the smoke, existing smoke, and burns it all up. There is some smoke today. As I said, it's less smoke. This wood I'm using, and you should not use wet wood, is wet wood from snow getting piled on it. I make this 22-inch stainless steel round grill, and that fits that Weber cover that you see there. It's really nice. You can control your baking or whatever you want to do on top. It's a nice addition to it. So anyway, not much other than that. If there's any questions, you can write or call. Our address is on the bottom of this video. Thank you.